Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Edna Harris here, and in today's tutorial we are going to be making our back and hip oil, which is going to help us enlarge our back and also even our breast if we want to enlarge it. And the ingredient that we will be using for today's recipe are all natural organic ingredients. It will not harm you, it will not give you stretch marks. It's very good. So keep watching this video and together let's make our back and hip enlargement oil for us to get the shape that we want. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Guys, welcome back. So let's go straight into how we can make this oil. The ingredient that I'll be using, I have Akpi injansa oil here. Akpi seed is very effective when it comes to back enlargement. And we are also going to use fenugreek seed. Fenugreek contains special compound that increases estrogen's level in the body, resulting in bigger butt and breast. And our next ingredient will be fennel. Fennel seed is also very good. It increases the size of butt and breast and even your hip and fight against sagging. So these are the ingredients we'll be using to make our oil. We will also use Maca root powder. Maca is very good. Maca root powder helps the muscle in your hip and butt and tightens it very well. So these are the ingredients we'll be using. And before anything, we have to blend everything and make it into powder. Yes, we are going to turn everything into powder form. And here is mine. I've already blended my ingredient together, and this is how we are going to use it. So all you need to do is to take your container and pour as much as you want inside the container. We will also be using olive oil. You can use coconut oil, shea butter oil, any oil of your choice. But I am using olive oil for this tutorial. So you can pour as much as you want into it and make sure you stir it very well. Okay guys, so after mixing it very well, we have two methods how we can use this oil. It works very fast for us. The first one is hot method. The hot method is about if you want to use it immediately, like after finish mixing everything. If you want to use it now, all you need to do is to put it in the hot water. After putting it in the hot water, put it on fire again and heat it for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then you bring it down. You stir it very well after bringing it down, and then you cover it very tight and put it somewhere. So the next day you just strain the oil from it and then you use it immediately. You can add vitamin E oil to it after straining the oil, and then you massage it where you want to enlarge. Another method, that is cold method, that is the one that I'm going to do right now. All you need to do is to cover it. Yes, so I'm going to cover it and put it away for 2 weeks. But do not forget to shake it every day so that the oil and the ingredient will mix very well. Alright guys, so I'm back 2 weeks time since we put this oil away, and I'm going to strain it. I told you this is the cold method that we are using, so I'm going to strain the oil and then I'll add my maca powder to it and I'll put it inside my container. And
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.